Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook chicken with potato. Start with your chicken and potatoes. For the chicken, boneless, skinless thighs or breasts work wonderfully. As for potatoes, I recommend starchy varieties like russets or Yukon Golds, cut into 1-inch cubes to ensure they cook evenly. Season your chicken generously with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a touch of paprika to build a flavorful base. Now, let's get roasting. Preheat your oven to a robust 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss your cubed potatoes with a generous drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and some fresh rosemary for an aromatic touch. Arrange both the seasoned chicken and potatoes in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast for about 25 to 35 minutes until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer a one-pan approach, grab a large skillet. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat, then sear your chicken for 3 to 4 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown. Next, add your potatoes and about 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Cover the skillet and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are perfectly tender. To finish, a sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives adds a lovely pop of color and freshness. It's crucial to let your chicken rest for about 5 minutes after cooking. This helps the juices redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful bite. Serve this delicious chicken and potato dish immediately as a complete, satisfying meal. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice can also brighten up the flavors beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.